Hola everybody. I started this video with the intent to reset my craft room for the new year. And I started to do that. You guys saw I did a time lapse of me cleaning up the craft room, but then I decided to change everything around. And you guys already know how this usually goes. Once I get like a specific idea in mind, that's what I go for. So anyway, I started to move things around. When I was moving everything around, I realized that I needed another table. So I ordered a table and some legs from IKEA. So we're about to head to IKEA. I'm gonna take this opportunity to test out the new glasses. So I'm gonna show you an unboxing of these, I want to say Meta glasses dupe from TikTok. They were 70 bucks. So far, I've tried them and they do not work for social media content. They don't work for vertical videos. So far, it's only been horizontal. So I did upload a little piece to iTunes because that's what I use to edit. I like the color payoff. Not sure about the audio because I really wasn't talking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the glasses at IKEA to see if it's an alternative for me to vlog out and about. So that way I can give you guys content when I'm out and about doing things without having to bring out this camera or my mic and things like that. Because sometimes I do feel awkward when I'm in public by myself and I'm vlogging. Like I don't like to do that because I don't know, I feel like people look at me. That's something that I'm gonna work on in 2026 though. We're gonna work on public vlogging. So anyway, just wanted to wish you guys a happy new year. Kind of start this video with me talking, letting you guys know what I'm gonna do. My mic is about to die, is on 10%, and I'm not gonna charge it, but that's okay because when we get to IKEA, I'm gonna use my glasses. Hopefully I got some good footage earlier with the glasses because they did end up dying and I didn't have a charger for it. So hopefully I got some good clips. I haven't seen the footage yet, so I don't know if I am going to keep the glasses because obviously I want to see the footage first. I bought and tested these recording glasses from TikTok shop so that you don't have to. They're listed for $65, but after tax and shipping, I paid $78.11. First impressions, they're cute, lightweight, and they make me look good. Unfortunately for me, it only records horizontally, so this is how my POV crafting would look on social media. Another con as a POV crafter is the POV part. I would have to look way down in order for you guys to see what I'm actually doing. I love the colors. With the Meta glasses, I had to manually go in and edit the colors, but with this one, I like how everything records as is. I personally don't think the sound is too bad, especially for vlogging, but like I said, that's my personal opinion. You might think differently. The charge sucks butt cheeks. It does not hold a charge at all, so I will have to walk around with the freaking charger it comes with. But all in all, I love it. I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna use it for POV of me being outside, and I'm gonna incorporate that into my YouTube vlogs. Let me know if I missed anything or if you guys have any questions, but that's it. That's been my review. Okay, thanks, bye. But anyway, let me show you guys what I was talking about earlier when I said that I changed everything around and everything was a little bit of a mess. Thankfully, we went to IKEA and I got all the pieces that I needed. I'm not gonna fully work on it today because I need my husband to put the legs on the tables. He also has to help me take out the table from the drawers. It's this whole big thing because we use double-sided tape to keep them together, and that double-sided tape is really good. It's really strong. I pushed everything back here because I took the table that was here and I put that table over there. So now I have an L shape. I have my main table and this table over there. I was going to get rid of the cart and then put all of my machines on that side of the table. But what I'm gonna try to do is take out the wheels from the cart, those wheels down there, and keep the two silhouettes on that cart, but just put it under the table. And then have all of this on top of the table there. That way I still have all of the space. But I don't know, we'll see how that works out. Right now, I'm just gonna put the long table here and I'm gonna like fix this a little bit because I did buy some organizers that hopefully fit where I need them to fit. And we're gonna do a little bit of a destash because it's a little bit overwhelming right here. Nova, are you helping, girl? Are you helping? I have a stack of storage containers here because this is all going to my best friend, except for these. These I have to take back to IKEA. These two little white things, as well as those 3 legs. But everything else, all of the storage containers, there's 1, 2, 3, 2 12 by 12, one humongous one. And then we have 3 of these containers with lids, and they have little storage containers inside of them. They're from Michael's. And then inside, there's even more containers. So at least, oh my goodness, yes. She is dying to get out of here, but you gotta wait, girl, because I'm not ready, okay? This easel is also going to her. This easel, I don't know if you guys remember, is from my last market, and it's just been sitting here. I was gonna sell it, and I'm like, you know what? Before I list all of this on Facebook Marketplace, let me ask her if she wants it. So anyway, that's my little pile of stuff. Right now, I have to fold these. They're already folded, but I have to fold them a little bit more neatly so that I can put them, where am I gonna put them? Oh, in there. This is the DIY checkout stand that I also made for my last market. I just took the tabletop off, so the little shelf that I put up there, I took it out so that I could fit it under here, and I just put it right there. There's 3 crates that make up this checkout stand. This top one here has the DIY banner that I made also for markets, but you guys already know last market was my last one. So I have the banner up here. I just stuffed it in there. I was gonna display it, but honestly I don't know where to, so it's just gonna be there until I figure out where I would like to display it. Since these 2 are open, I figured I can just hide these in there until I hear back from the nonprofit that I reached out to. So hopefully they say yes and they accept these donations. I emailed them a couple days ago, and it's pretty much this group that give out free clothes to the LGBTQ plus community. I'm hoping that they accept my application because they don't accept all donations. So anyway, I need a place to store it for now, and I figured this would be the best place. So I'm gonna do that. we have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this whole craft room office reset. It's Monday today and I've already been working in the new space and I absolutely love how everything came out. So I feel like 2026 is off to a good start because I feel so good with my space. If you guys have made it to the end of the video, let me know in the comments down below one thing that you want to either accomplish or do in 2026. It doesn't have to be the main thing that you want to do. Just one accomplishment that you would like to fulfill in 2026 or something that you want to do. It doesn't have to be anything major. It could be like the smallest thing. I'll go first. I want to start taking better care of myself and following through with appointments, health appointments and things like that. But there are 3 things that are pending in my life right now, health-wise. So that's the one thing that I want to complete. I know it's like 3 separate things, but it's kind of the same. I can't wait to read what you guys want to accomplish or do in 2026. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all of your support, for all of the love in 2025. I hope 2026 is good to you. That year was a rough one. So hopefully this one is a better one for you and for me and for everybody else in the world, because we need some goodness. We need good vibes in 2026.